Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do shoe beating. This is the technique actually used by Prophet Muhammad. We're going to take out the negativities using the Mother Earth and the ether element, that is the sky firmament element. We're going to shoe beat our negativities like ego, super ego, and all the obstacles and all the negativity coming in our spiritual ascent. And we can shoe beat for the social problems and worldly problems that are affecting the community. So first you take the bandhan. First you raise your kundalini 3 times like this. Make 1 knot, and second time 2 knots, third time 3 knots, and 7 times the bandhan, like the RR only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're gonna pray to the Mother Earth. You can sit on the deck, but it's preferable is the Mother Earth, like sitting on the ground. You just put your both hands on the Mother Earth and pray to the Mother Earth and take permission from the Mother Earth. And you can take the mantra to the Bhumi Devi. Om Tvameva Saksha Shri Bhumi Devi Saksha Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. And we can take a Shri Ganesha mantra, who is the remover of all obstacles. Om Tvameva Saksha Shri Ganesha Saksha Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Now with the left hand open, using the right hand, give bandhan for the place where you are sitting in front of you, like 7 times clockwise, and take your left leg shoe, and give bandhan to the heel. We're gonna beat the negativities using the heel of the left leg shoe. First, write your name and ego. Whatever your name is, write full name and write ego. You're going to use this Vishuddhi finger, which is the index finger. This is the representative of the chakra of this Vishuddhi. So we're going to use this one. Like you write like imaginary. You don't have to be exact letters. In whatever language you can write, write your name. I would write my name and ego, and just go circle clockwise. It doesn't matter how many times you do. And you can go give bandhan to the shoes. Bandhan is like a giving 3.5 times, and you can go more and more. Now, using the heel of the right leg shoe, I'm gonna use the heel of the shoe and I'm gonna tap gently. I'm not beating hard because it is the Mother Earth. So I'm gonna gently beat using the left leg shoe heel. Keep the left hand open and look up in the sky and try to keep your attention on top of your head. And slowly you're going to start feeling cool breeze coming in the left hand. Sometimes you may not feel immediately. Sometimes, depending on the problem or negativity that you are shooting, it will take days, times, or many times, many months. Sometimes it doesn't get clear. It will take just 108 times. You don't need to count. Just for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And gently, I keep my elbow resting on my leg so that I don't get pain on my hand if I'm doing it for a long time. start feeling cool breeze. Sometimes you may feel tingling, warm, so that means it's getting cleared out. Don't use the brain because brain doesn't know about all these techniques. We have to teach the brain, experiment it and teach to the brain. And the brain, okay, when I have problem with the ego or superego, I just shove it and it clears it. It clears my mind. So not anymore using mind, just use the hands. And at the end of just about 30 seconds to 1 minute, erase like this and blow 3 times into the sky. And again you can start over, give bandhan. You can give bandhan and start over with the new. I would do usually second time my name and super ego and all conditionings, which these are the things which blocks here this Agya Chakra. These are the most stress giving things. If we can take out these things, we will have thoughtless awareness. That means we can be in thoughtless, we can be in deep meditative state. Again, should it beat gently, not harshly, because it is the Mother Earth. Usually we do this shoe beating after the sunrise, before the sunset, when sun is there. We don't do in the night. We don't do in the dark. Again, you go for 30 seconds to a minute time. Approximately, you don't have to count. Erase and blow it 3 times. You can then and write your problems, like anything, whatever is coming in your spiritual ascent, or if you are getting angry, write all the badhas, all problems, all negativity which are making me to lose temper or frustration, and shoot it. Or you can do any other problems, like worldly problems, like we can say, or negativities, all problems, or ISIL terrorist groups which are doing the wars in Syria, and give bandhan and shoot it, and at the end you blow it. Again, you can go on and on and on, whatever your personal, like your job, money, worries, all worries, everything you write down, shoot it, take it out. And the ether will clear up, and Mother Earth will clear up. At the end, again, what I do is I just write down my name, full name, and give bandhan, shoot it. In case if I am not in balance after doing all the shoe beating, just I shoe beat for 30 seconds or so, and done. And at the end of the shoe beating, usually we do Allahu Akbar. Put the 2 fingers, these Vishuddhi fingers, these 2 index fingers into the ears. Turn your head up, look at the sky, and say loudly Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar means God, you are great. So this was told by Prophet Muhammad. You just say Allahu Akbar 16 times. Doing so, this clears out this Vishuddhi. And 16 times do it. Say it loudly, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar, 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 Allahu Akbar. And again, raise your Kundalini 3 times. And take Bandhan 7 times. 2, 3. Over your head. 4, 5, 6, 7. And go inside and wash your hands. And if you do these techniques regularly, you can clear it all your tensions, all the stress which are giving ego, superego, which are keeping you in illusions, not in the reality. Okay then, thank you.